Now, because of ChatGPT and its open AI, artificial intelligence can help us now to understand what are the parameters used in the coding. Yes, you don't need to know any coding for this. Hi, friends. Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to this video. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss how to understand a trading strategy. A lot of traders put a lot of indicators on the chart and then they get confused how these indicators are working. Many times, a trader don't even know what are the parameters used to make this indicator. Because if you go to trading view and you go to indicators, there are thousands of indicators. What does a trader do? The trader try to find out, okay, this is a good indicator. They click on that indicator and they bring it on the chart. And then they see, wow, this is a great indicator. Now I am going to become a millionaire. I will use this indicator and I'm going to earn a lot of money. And then after some time, what happened? That same indicator is not giving you the result the way you expected it to give. Now you are confused. You are not able to understand earlier this indicator was giving me better results. Now the indicator is not giving me better results. Why is this happening like this? It is because every single indicator, there are some parameters used to set this indicator. You can change the parameters by going into the settings of the indicator. For example, you can do something like this. Now you see this indicator which is there on the screen. Now, the easiest way is you go to the indicator, you go to the settings, you click on the settings, and then you see the settings. So there is an ATR of 3, there's an ATR length of 10, there is a level multiplier of 0.125, and then there are multiple colors. There is transparency of 80%. Now you can do whatever changes you want. There is style. In the style, there are multiple options given. There is super trend, L4, L3, L2, L1. You can make these changes. But what does ATR help you with? What does ATR multiplier help you with? What does level multiplier help you with? Those kind of things are not clear over here. So you might make some changes. Say, I will just reduce it to 2 and I will increase this to 12, and you will see there are some changes that are happening, and you press OK and then you start trading again. You see the indicators and basis that you're trading again. You are not able to understand what are the features that are used to develop this indicator. This is where most of the traders get confused. They feel that the indicator that is given is the best way to trade. You put that indicator on the chart and you look at the indicator and then you trade. But what is most important is understanding that indicator. What are the parameters used to build that indicator? That is what is more important. See, when you use an indicator like moving average, you know, in my previous videos, I have shown how a moving average is created. It is created from the data of the previous candles. But when it is a complex indicator with so many lines and so many arrows, but it's a good indicator, and you want to use that indicator, it is very, very important that you understand what are the parameters used to build that indicator. Now, because of ChatGPT and its open AI, artificial intelligence can help us now to understand what are the parameters used in the coding. Yes, you don't need to know any coding for this. All you need to do is learn how to cut, copy, paste. That's it. So if you know how to cut, copy, paste, you will understand what coding has been used to create this indicator and what are the parameters used to develop that particular indicator. You don't have to know the coding, but you will understand what are the parameters used to develop that indicator. ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, is helping you do that. So let us see how artificial intelligence is going to help you and me to understand any new indicator that we put onto TradingView platform, that what are the parameters used to develop this indicator without knowing coding. So let's see. Looking at this indicator, we have zero idea what are the parameters used and how it has been done, all you have to do is go over here. Yes. You see this source code is mentioned over here, source code. Just click on that source code. You will see in the bottom over here, the entire source code is given. Now remember, you and I, we both don't know how coding is done. Of course, for the people who know how coding is done, that's great. It's an additional advantage. But for people who don't know how coding is done, artificial intelligence is here to help you and me. There you go. All you have to do is click here, do Control A, everything is selected. Do Control C, everything is copied. You go to ChatGPT now and you enter. The question should be clear to artificial intelligence or ChatGPT that what are you trying to ask? Okay, put the entire source code over here, which you are entering now. Here, ChatGPT is explaining everything to you. We will wait for the output to get over and then we will see it one by one. Here, the output is over. So you saw that this indicator is written in Pine script. We don't know what Pine script is, but now you know that the source code is used in Pine script. So this indicator is using short title overlay. You are understanding what are the inputs that are used. So you can see number one is indicator declaration. Second is the inputs. ATR is used. ATR length is used. ATR multiplier used. Helper functions are used. You see point number 3, helper functions are used. The next, super trend and trend directions are calculated. TA dot super trend. So you see this indicator is helping you with super trend also. There you go. Breach levels are computed. You can see it is written the breach levels are computed. Plots for super trend and breaches levels are created. Signal. Conditions for generating signals are defined based on trend, changes and breach levels. These are the main components and parameters used in the provided source code. So there you go, friends. You can download any indicator onto your charts. Get the source code, paste it onto ChatGPT. The artificial intelligence of ChatGPT will tell you everything that is used in that source code or used in that coding. You don't need to know coding. Artificial intelligence is going to take care of it. But you will understand what are the parameters that are used. Now, if you want to go and change the indicator through the settings, you know everything about the indicator. Understanding your indicator 100% helps you to become a better trader, helps you in understanding where you should enter, where you should exit, helps you in keeping your risk in control. But because of artificial intelligence, now you and I, we all can understand coding now. But remember, every time I say this, you have to practice. Any new indicator that you use, just don't start trading immediately. Use that indicator, practice 100 times. Because practice, patience, and persistence will make you a better trader. Friends, I have written a book, Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. This book is all about understanding technical analysis. It also talks about taking small losses initially so that later on, as you become a better trader, you can take big profits and make money out of the markets. If you love the way I'm creating videos, please like and share these videos. I have created a lot of videos and I'll be creating many more videos in the future. Please subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon that you see so that whenever I upload a new video in YouTube, you will be the first person to be notified about this video. Friends, all I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Before I sign out, I just want to tell you I have my trading videos linked down there. Click on it. There are around 24, 25 videos in that. It shows you step by step how you can learn technical analysis. Take advantage of it. Learn before you start trading. Thank you very much. Namaskar.